Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an LLC with Rocket Lawyer, complete guide step by step clearly. To start an LLC with Rocket Lawyer, visit the Rocket Lawyer website. Create an account by clicking on sign up or get started. Fill in the required information, including your email address. Once your account is created, log in to access the dashboard. Select the business option from the main menu. Click on Start an LLC to begin the process. You will be prompted to choose your state of formation. Select your state from the drop-down menu. Review the specific requirements for forming an LLC in your chosen state. Next, enter your business name in the provided field. Ensure your desired name complies with state regulations. Check for name availability using Rocket Lawyer's search feature. After confirming the name, proceed to fill out the necessary information about your LLC. Provide details such as the purpose of your business and management structure. Designate a registered agent for your LLC. This can be either an individual or a registered agent service. Once you've entered all information, review the details carefully. Look for any additional options Rocket Lawyer may offer, like operating agreements. Select these options based on your business needs. When you're satisfied with your selections, move on to the payment section. Input your payment details to finalize your order. After payment, you will receive confirmation and further instructions. Follow any next steps provided by Rocket Lawyer to ensure successful submission. Once submitted, monitor your email for updates regarding your LLC formation. Once your LLC is approved, you may receive your official documents. Make sure to save these documents for your business records. You are now ready to start operating your LLC with the support of Rocket Lawyer resources. Take advantage of any legal advice or additional services they offer as you grow your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.